Hoy, grabe naman kayo, wag naman.
Hoy, ikaw naman. Narinig na dito, naka-video yan. Talagang gano'n. Kaya nga tayo na. Ano nangyari?
Nangyari sila eh. Kaya na, iba na yung sound. Kaya magtatagay mo ka.
Yan ang the best.
Magtatagay mo ka.
Wow. Wow. Kinikilabutan ako. Mahusay yung ano sa kanila, nagturo, pati yung pagpupronounce.
My heart thrills when I hear the national anthem being played. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Aha.
When I see your God, flattering in the breeze. Flattering in the breeze. And yet, I find myself asking, how Filipino am I really? My first name is American. My last name is Chinese. And I am with my friends. Or more correct, when I am with my friends who happen to be girls, I talk to them in English. I learn how I am. If they are thirsty, I buy them a bottle of American Gold. If they are hungry, I treat them to Italian pizza pie. Delicioso! And when I have the money, money changes everything. Money, I give them a Chinese store, yeah.
Consider all this, considering my taste for many things foreign. What right do I have to call myself a Filipino?
Galing ah.
Should I not call myself a culture or part that is legitimate children of neither races? Rightly or wrongly, whether we like it or not, we are the end products of our history. Fortunately or unfortunately, our history is a commingling of polyglot influences. Malayan and Chinese, Spanish and British, American and Japanese. This is a sorry fact we cannot ignore. A cultural reality we cannot escape from. To believe otherwise is to indulge in fantasy.
I must confess, I'm extremely confused and bewildered, young man. Wherever I am, whatever I be doing, I'm bombarded on all sides by people who want to search for my national identity.
Ang galing. Galing mo nagtuturo sa kanila.
Tell me the language I speak. Should be raised by Filipino. They urge me to do away with things foreign, to act and think and buy Filipino. Even in art, I am getting bothered and bewildered. The writers who use Filipino as his medium, the nationalist pride. The painters who use his medium to portray themes purely Filipino. They demand. The composer should exploit endless possibilities
soul, in the heart.
I have an American first name.
And I have a Chinese last name.
Talaga, promise. Oy, palakpak na.
Obey, Filipino, by Professor Felix Bautista.
Galing!
Okay, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.